We all use social media. And if you actively use it, sometimes it's quite difficult to come up with unique and interesting posts. ChatGPT can also help us here. Let's get started again with a simple prompt. There, ChatGPT should just write a motivational post on Instagram and Twitter. That was an easy one, isn't it? Some motivational text, some emojis, not too creative obviously, but you see where I'm going. So you can again use ChatGPT to have these basic Twitter and Instagram-like text, so to say, and then fine-tune it according to your needs. Once again, we can of course be more precise with our prompt. So here, instead of using the generic one, I added more context to my prompt. So my goal is to motivate my audience. We had this before basically. But now it's all about a good morning post on Instagram and Twitter. And the post should motivate the people to start the day energized. So let's see if this is different now compared to the previous result we had. So before we rather had the motivational focus, now it's more about hustling, being energized, being productive today. And as always, we could also ask ChatGPT to provide images for the posts. Now it tells you that it can't provide images obviously, but you get the descriptions of images that you can add to your Instagram or Twitter posts. In this case, we know we want to write a motivational post to be productive. In case you're looking for a specific topic or for a new topic that you could share with your audience, you can also do this with ChatGPT. This prompt here should provide us with some new Twitter post ideas. We give ChatGPT some context about what we do, so let's see if ChatGPT comes up with some creative Twitter post ideas. Here we get entirely new posting ideas. But you can also leave the world of posts and think about your Twitter profile, for example. ChatGPT can also help you to write your Twitter bio, so the text that you can find below your image and your name. With a prompt like this, where you tell ChatGPT what you're doing. So in my case, I'm an online educator teaching people how to code, for example, and I need 5 examples for my Twitter bio. So here ChatGPT provides some examples for these motivational and pretty cool sounding Twitter bios. You can also use ChatGPT for your social media to summarize a larger text you read into a tweet. Let's say we read a long text about the beauty of spring, which in this case we simply create in ChatGPT quickly. So this is the inspiring text we read, and now we want to share the core content of this text in a motivational tweet. As easy as it is, I won't add too many constraints in here, as I just want to show you some ideas how you can use ChatGPT for your social media activities. And here we got it. Here we get the tweet about the beauty of spring. So these are just some ideas, obviously. Feel free to be creative about your own social media accounts and how you can integrate ChatGPT into these. Always keep in mind though, you can use ChatGPT as a helper, but typically your social media accounts should be about you or your profession. So don't become too auto-generated. In the end, it should still be all about you.